Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to show battery percentage on the taskbar in Windows 11. By default, Windows 11 only shows the battery icon in the system tray, but it does not display the exact battery percentage. If you want to see the remaining battery percentage directly on the taskbar, Windows 11 now provides a simple built-in option. Showing the battery percentage can help you quickly monitor your laptop's battery level without opening additional settings or hovering the mouse over the battery icon. To enable this feature, first open the settings app. You can do this by pressing Windows plus I key on the keyboard. Once the settings app opens, select system in the left sidebar. On the right, click on power and battery. Here you will find a toggle switch that says battery percentage. Turn on this toggle switch. Once you enable this option, Windows will immediately start showing the battery percentage next to the battery icon on the taskbar. This makes it easier to keep track of your laptop's battery level while working. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more helpful Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.